All right, so I'm going to go over how to weight categories for your gradebook. So what you want to do is over on the left column, you're going to click on grading. And then along the top, you're going to find where it says weighting. There are two options here. You can weight the columns directly, so you're assigning a weight as you put in each of your assignments. You can do that by clicking here. Then you can decide if you want to do this only for the gradebook you're in all of your active gradebooks, so that would be all of the gradebooks that you're using, or obviously you can cancel. If you want to weight your categories, you would check here. And then again, you have the options for only in the current gradebook or in all of your gradebooks. I'm just going to do this current gradebook because it's just a sample, but I would say most of the time your categories might be similar, so you might use the all. Once you do this, you'll have your category names here and then the weights with the percentages. So you can either plug in by clicking here, the weight, or you can click on the percentage and it'll take you to that same place as well. So if I want quizzes to make up 30% of my grade, I can weight this at a 30, click on OK. And then I can do the same thing for tests. Maybe I want it to be 40%, then I can put it in there. And then if I want homework to be 10, and then the other 20% might be projects. You can also see as I'm putting in these weights, it has current section, all visible sections of the course. So those are only the courses with the same name. So if you teach math and science, it would just be ones that are also math or ones that are also science. Or you can do all the visible sections. So that would do everything in your gradebook. If you want to add new categories, you can just hit add new category. And again, you have these options along the top. You would type in your category, so maybe you want class participation, and you want it to be 5% of your grade, so you can give it a weight, and click on OK. You can see now that I'm over 100%, they've adjusted my percentages here. If I need to go back and change something later, I can always just double click, and I can change my weights so that they make sense for me. Okay, you do need to click Save and Recalculate to update your students' averages when you do that. And if you don't have any weights within your categories and you're saying weighted by categories, you'll notice that your average won't calculate because it's not counting towards the final grade. And you can't have both checked off either. It won't calculate your average for you. Okay, so when you're done, you'll hit Save and Recalculate. And then that weighting system would be used for your gradebook.